If you've ever felt confused by the this keyword, think of it as a pronoun in the English language. In the sentence, Sarah is a developer and she is writing code, the word she refers to Sarah. In JavaScript, this is a keyword that refers to the context or the owner of the code currently being executed. But here is the catch. Unlike English pronouns, the value of this isn't fixed. It changes depending on how and where a function is called. The simplest way to understand this is inside an object method. When a function is part of an object, this refers to that object itself. In this example, when we call user.greet, JavaScript looks at what's to the left of the dot, which is the user object. Therefore, this dot name becomes user.name. It's the object telling the function, "Hey, I am the one calling you, so use my data." What happens if we use this outside of an object? If you use it in the global scope or a regular function, this defaults to the global object, which is the window in your browser. This can be dangerous. If you are in strict mode, JavaScript tries to protect you by making this undefined instead of letting you accidentally change global variables. Always remember, a standalone function doesn't have a parent object, so it loses its specific context. Then came ES6 and arrow functions, which changed the rules. Arrow functions do not have their own this. Instead, they steal or inherit this from the code that surrounds them. We call this lexical scoping. This is incredibly useful for things like timers or event listeners, where you want to keep the context of your original object without using hacks like var self equals this. With arrow functions, this stays consistent with where the function was born, not where it was executed. Finally, what if you want to force this to be a specific object? JavaScript gives us three power tools: call, apply, and bind. Call and apply allow you to execute a function immediately while explicitly telling it what this should be. Bind, on the other hand, creates a brand new function with a locked-in context that can be used later. These tools give you ultimate control, ensuring that no matter how your function is called, this always points exactly where you want it to. The secret to mastering this is simple. Always look at the call site. Don't look at where the function was written. Look at how it's being invoked. If you found this breakdown helpful, save this video for your next technical interview preparation. What's the most confusing bug you've ever had with this keyword? Let me know in the comments, and let's debug it together.